If you're watching a 3411 Heaven Media video, you probably love LED light strips. Why? Because they are our most viewed videos by you, our viewers. Today, we will not disappoint. We are highlighting another set of smart LED lights from our friends at MayLit. And these could be a great alternative to the Mercury LED strip lights, which are also smart, but a bit more expensive and don't include a lot of lights. But these, for only $21.99, link in the description, go check them out, have a whole 5 meters of lights. Let's see if they're worth it. So again, these came off Amazon for the low price of $21.99, link in the description, and were sent fairly quickly despite the pandemic. In this small package is 5 meters of smart LED light strips. I can't handle it anymore, let's just get into it. But before we do, there is some important information on the box which says they have a brightness of 310 lumens and an estimated energy cost of $2.91 per year. So for those of you that are cost conscious, this is pretty low cost. We see it's for indoor use. It features an IP20 rating, so again, just indoor. There is dimming capabilities as well as some mounting hardware in here. Let's now take a look at the actual product. We pop it open and we see that they don't waste space, which I really enjoy. There is a sleek power supply that does actually have a very nice look to it. I don't know, I'm not an interior designer, but this looks very modern. Output of 12 volts at 2 amps. There is a remote, which I like because even though these are smart LEDs, I have always enjoyed having a remote because I don't always want to have to go to the app on my phone if I'm just walking into a room, have this on the wall to flip things over to what color you want. Then we get into the actual LED strip lights. While I'm thinking of it, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like and also click that subscribe button. I've already actually installed the app on my phone. There we go, we're in like Matt Flynn. Oh, they have the installation buckles. Okay, this is cool. Wow, this is, I've never seen an end like this on LED strips before, so this is new. The ones that I have seen before have either been like a magnetic type thing or prongs that actually went into the socket. This has the adapter plugged straight into the strip. Pull open the tape. They really make full use of this spool to fit the whole 5 meters. Whoa, it just keeps on going and going. What's 5 meters in feet? Is that like 16 feet? Something like that? No mathematician. It's just going. Man, okay, that's a lot of lights. Look at that. I can wrap that everywhere. Control distance of 8 meters. Take the adapter. I have to plug it in over here off frame and plug it in as well. Ooh, we got lights, baby. Okay, yeah, these are nice. The last set of smart LEDs that we got off of Amazon and reviewed, the actual diodes for the lights were separated in RGB, so red, green, blue, because you probably didn't know that. Duh, everyone. I don't even know why I said that. These are all in singular ones, and they're quite bright, but it does have dimming, so we can lower it, and then bring it back up for party time. We're not here for the remote, we want to see how the app works. The app itself is the Home Plus Light app. And open it. We see not a lot of great reviews, but let's actually take a look how it functions. Would like to access Apple Music, your music library, okay. Why? Because these lights will apparently go to music, and would like to use your Bluetooth. Do I have to put it into pairing mode? Oh, here they are. They showed up right away once I turned my Bluetooth on. That was user error. So, we are connected, it says. What can I do? Close light. Open, open. Works pretty well. Okay. These LED lights are smart in the sense that they connect to your device via Bluetooth, not actually to an Amazon Alexa or other voice control type thing through Wi-Fi. It is all through Bluetooth on these. That said though, in the app there seems to be a couple of different modes that I want to play around with. So there is the flash mode, which, whoa! That's getting crazy. I don't know what the difference is between flash and strobe, but I guess we'll find out. What? I feel like strobe light should be significantly faster. Huh, guess not. Ooh. Wait. Hello? Hello? Nope, it's not like that. Okay, that's supposed to be fade. I think it's a little mixed up. Smooth. Ah. Smooth. Okay. And for music. This is the problem. I don't have any music on my phone, I don't think. Oh, the app crashed. Alright. Try this again. Go back to the music. Yada yada yada. Equipment. Connected. Again. I wonder if I have to do that every time I come out and into the app. Nope, didn't do it that time. Timer. Time light on, time light off. And I wonder, I don't know if that'll work if your phone's not connected. That's one thing I want to try. So right now it is 9. Let's do this. Timed light off at 9:55 p.m., which is in a minute. Let's see if it turns off. Maybe it won't. Okay, it's 9:55. Maybe it takes a little bit. Oh, there, now it went. Perfect. It worked. Time light off works. Other modes, the music one. Well, I can't get the music mode to work right now. So, overall, I guess my thoughts with these lights at this point. The app, it's a little funky, that's okay. It seems to work in most cases, minus the music function, which I'm not able to get. But, even at $21.99 for the amount of LED lights that you get that are this quality, I think it's hard to beat that price. The DayBetter LED light strips that we talk about in other videos for close to the same length is about $10 more, and they don't have an app that you can use to control them. They just have the remote, the one that all the TikTok stars use. Then for mounting hardware, I say they give you some superior mounting hardware compared to others that are on the market. They have actual clips that clip over the LED strip and then have a command patch on the back. And with the sleek power supply directly connecting to the LEDs at $21.99, I'd say it's a pretty good value if you can get past some of the funkiness with the technical portion on the app. But you should let us know what you think yourselves in the comment section below. Let us know if you have any other LED lights that you want us to review in the future. As always, don't forget to drop a like on the video and also click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. We will catch you in the next one. Bird out.